Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to make video behind text effect in CapCut. First, open CapCut. Then click on Library and import this white video. Then select text and do some corrections. Then select the video and text and right click and click on Create Compound Click. And then drag it as a layer. And then import another video. Then select the layer video and click on Blend. From this drop down, select Brighten. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.